Alex, we have a function today.
Yes, I remember that.
It starts in the evening.
What time exactly? We should get ready early to avoid rushing later.
Yes, we have many things to do.
What about the kids?
I will get Emma and John ready.
Good, they need help.
Emma takes time to get ready.
And John is always slow.
I will start preparing now.
Do you need my help?
You should check the car.
I will clean the car.
Thank you, Alex.
You're welcome.
Let's make it a good day.
Yes, it will be fun.
I am excited already.
Me too.
Emma, come here. I want to help you choose your dress.
Okay, Mom. I was thinking about my pink dress.
That's a lovely choice, and it suits you very well.
I really like how it looks on me.
Let me check if it is clean and ready to wear.
I hope it is, because I really want to wear it.
Yes, it is clean and nicely folded in the cupboard.
That makes me so happy, Mom.
John, what would you like to wear today?
I want to wear my blue shirt and black pants.
That combination looks very smart on you.
It is my favorite outfit for special days.
Let me iron your shirt so it looks perfect.
Thank you, Mom. I really appreciate it.
Make sure you keep your clothes neat while wearing them.
I will try my best, Mom.
I can see everyone is getting ready nicely.
Yes, they are both making good choices today.
I can't wait to get fully ready.
Me too. I'm really excited. You both will look wonderful at the function.
I completely agree with that.
Emma, come sit here so I can do your hair properly.
Okay, Mom. Please make it look pretty today.
Don't worry. I will style it very nicely for you.
I trust you. Mom, you always do it well.
John, where are you right now?
I am here, Mom, trying to wear my shoes.
Sit down and wear them carefully so they fit well.
They are a little tight, but I can manage.
Let me help you so you don't struggle too much.
Thank you, Mom. That really helps me.
Do you need any help with the kids, Jane?
I'm almost done. Just a few final things left.
They both look very neat and well dressed.
Thank you. I'm trying to make them look their best.
Mom, am I ready now? Or do I need anything else?
Just wait a moment. I need to fix one more thing.
I think I am ready now, Mom.
Yes, John, you look very nice.
Everything is going smoothly so far.
Yes, I'm glad we started early.
I'm feeling really excited now.
That's great. We're almost ready to go. Emma, wait for a second. I need to add your hairband.
Oh yes, I almost forgot about that.
This hairband matches your dress perfectly.
It looks so pretty. Thank you, Mom.
John, please tuck in your shirt neatly.
Okay, Mom. I will fix it right now.
Also, button your shirt properly from the top.
I have done it. Please check once.
Yes, now you look very smart and tidy.
Thank you, Mom.
Jane, are you ready? Or do you need more time?
I just need a minute to get ready myself.
You already look beautiful to me.
That's very kind of you, thank you.
Mom, you really look so pretty today.
Thank you, my dear, that means a lot.
Dad, you look very smart too.
Thank you, son, I appreciate that.
I think everyone is finally ready now.
Yes, we are all set to leave.
I am very excited to go now.
Let's go quickly before we get late.
Is everyone completely ready to leave the house now?
Yes, Mom. I have worn my shoes properly. I am ready too. And I have my jacket with me.
Let's check everything once before we go.
I will take my bag and phone with me.
Mom, should I bring anything else?
No, dear, just stay close to us.
I will stay near you, Mom.
Did we switch off all the lights?
Yes, I checked everything already.
I will lock the door now.
Please make sure it is locked properly.
Yes, it is locked securely.
Can we leave now, please?
Yes, let's go to the car together.
I feel so excited about this evening.
It's going to be a fun time for all of us.
Stay together and don't run ahead.
Okay, Mom. I will walk with you. I will hold your hand.
That's good. Let's move now.
All right, let's go.
Mom, where exactly is the function happening?
It is being held in a large hall nearby.
Is it very far from our house?
No, it will only take about 15 minutes to reach.
Will there be music and fun activities there?
Yes, there will be music, lights, and many people.
I am more excited about the food.
There will be plenty of delicious food for everyone.
That sounds really exciting to me.
Sit properly and fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, Mom. I have done it. I am sitting properly as well.
We are already halfway there.
That was quick.
I can see so many lights outside. Yes, the streets look very bright.
The place will be even more beautiful.
I'm looking forward to it.
I can't wait to reach there. Me too. I am very excited.
We are almost there now.
Yay! We have arrived.
Stay close to me and don't wander around alone.
Okay, Mom. I will stay with you. I will not go anywhere without telling you.
Let's greet the people politely.
Yes, say hello with a smile.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Welcome, we are glad you came.
Thank you for inviting us.
Let's find a place to sit.
Mom, I am feeling a little hungry.
We will get food very soon.
Can I have some juice first?
I will bring juice for both of you.
We are finally back home after a long evening.
I am feeling very tired now. Me too, but I really enjoyed it.
Did you both have a good time there?
Yes, Mom. I loved the music and lights. I really liked the food and drinks. I also liked meeting new people. I liked playing with other kids.
Now it's time to take some rest.
Yes, I want to sleep soon. I am already feeling sleepy.
Go and change your clothes first.
Okay, Mom, we will do that.
Good night, everyone. Sleep well.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.